I made a Ramos Gin Fizz video and I completely forgot to talk about timing. So I'm gonna run through how to make the Ramos Gin Fizz the way I would make it at a bar as fast as I can, no shaking. So I don't wanna hear wah, wah, wah. I don't like when I'm making Ramos because someone's shaking my arms. No. Big tin, ready? Go.
Okay.
An ounce of rich syrup. Going in 1 ounce of aquafaba. Got half an ounce of lime, half an ounce of lemon, gin. Will you grab me that? Bitters. Got it right back, so shaving time off right here.
What is this?
This is a little bit of orange bitters. So we got everything in except for our cream. We're gonna take our handy dandy Immersion blender on medium high. We're just gonna hit this for like 15 seconds. And get it nice and frothed up. So this is basically like our dry shake, but we don't have to shake. We just hold this here. Okay.
And say that again, this is like a dry shake?
So that was basically like a dry shake. You see how frothy it is?
Yeah.
All right, now we're gonna add our cream. So we didn't add it at first because we don't want it to split with that citrus while it's like sitting there too long. But we're gonna add 1 ounce of cream and our ice. We're gonna do 5 small pieces. I'll show you here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kind of small pieces of ice. Blend this up until all the ice is dissolved. It's gonna chill, dilute, and further whip the cream. See it getting cold. Alright, we don't want to go too far because we don't want to split our cream. So just like 10-15 seconds is usually good. Got a glass. It's only been there for like a minute or two, so it's not super cold, but you would want to get it cold if you can. We got some soda that's been in the fridge. About yay, right?
Yeah.
Maybe a little more. About yay. And we're gonna give it a little swirl and go all the way just up to the rim. Boop. Now, this part, yeah, see there's quite a bit of cocktail left in there, and that's on purpose. This part is like a non-negotiable. It has to sit at least 3 to 5 minutes. And all of that time that we saved not shaking and whipping and yada yada, this has to stay the same. We have to give that head nice, plenty of time to like really settle and that foam to like thicken up properly so we can get that really nice lip. I'm gonna throw this in the freezer along with the tin. This is very sketchy. Okay. 3 minutes, we'll check it, we'll make sure that it looks very set up. What time are we at? 4 minutes and 15 seconds. During this time, this is a great time to clean up your station. Wipe down my station. Put my stuff back. Subscribe, join the staff. It's unpaid, but you hit the subscribe button, you can join the staff. If you want your application to go to the top of the stack, hit the thumbs up, and hopefully, you find some value in this video. 3, 2, 1. For he is a jolly good fellow. Yeah, that looks good. You can see like there's a clear separation between the bottom and the top of the cocktail there. And you can kind of do that maybe if there's any big bubbles, but it looks pretty good to me. You see how they have this cocktail left over? This is gold because this has like cream and all that stuff in it. So it's quite a bit denser than just trying to add soda to the top of this, which will just overflow. It'll totally screw everything up that you've just worked really hard for. This will go straight through and sink to the bottom and lift up that light, airy, lift it. So I'm just gonna add a splash. We got a pretty good amount of cocktail, but I'll rinse my tin slightly, give it a swirl. And I like to just kind of pour it with conviction here. You can poke a hole with a straw, but if you pour with conviction, it'll pierce through and hopefully work out. Hopefully I don't look like an idiot here. Whoop. Do a little more. I think that's about all she wrote. Looks pretty good. This is also like a slightly tapered glass. So if you get a straighter walled glass, you can sometimes get a nicer head, a higher one at least.
That's a metal straw, baby.
That's a metal straw, staying right where it's supposed to be. We did have quite a bit of cocktail left, so I think a slightly larger, straighter glass would be perfect, but this is all we have. Anyway, that's a pretty damn good looking Ramos, if you ask me. Right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, looks good.
Yeah. I think it looks great. So thanks for watching. I say that was pretty fast. I had no shaking to do whatsoever. I'm not gassed. I'm not out of breath. And I'm pretty happy with the way this Ramos looks. Let's give it a taste. Delicious. It's like a dreamsicle. See you next time. Get that application in. Join the staff. Peace.